Hello guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Great Daily. In this video, we are going to answer a Zen Wallet daily quiz as I used to provide the daily. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload the video. So let's claim our daily point here. So let's go for a quiz. So the question of the day is, what should you do with your private keys? So the answer here is, without being saying much, which is number 4, which is A. So congratulations, my been imported the record. So let's get back to our mission. Always need to come for useful and extra. There it is. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button,